every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another live session with Stocks Number Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. Today is May 3rd, 2022. All right. Looking like hopefully it's going to be a pretty good session today. Definitely think it's leading into FOMC tomorrow, and then we got NFP this week, so it'll be pretty interesting to see how the kind of markets are trading. Right, we're going to do gold, GU, and US 30 right off the bat, leading into the market open at around 9:10. We are going to do Nasdaq. All right. So guys, make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken are upon yourself. Make sure to don't risk over 1%. Obviously, it's scalping, and the markets are very volatile, so please understand what's actually going on. If you're having trouble with any of this, guys, you can refer to our website, stocksnipertrading.com. If you'd like to join, you may do so at any time. Okay. And if you have any questions, guys, we do have an email page on our landing page on our website. Okay, so make sure to check that out. Send us a message, and we'll try to get back to you within 12 to 48 hours. All right. But with that being said, guys, let's get down to some business here. We're going to do a top down on gold. Okay, so you can see that gold is starting to hover right around that 200 EMA. Okay, coming around here, you can see that we are forming some nice demand area at a previous structure level to the left. Okay, so we got a nice demand zone. All right. Next, what we're going to look for is our supply. So we're going to count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roughly 6 candles. Okay, grab some supply area right around in here. Okay, guys, when I'm doing the top down, we got our YouTube moderators here. Okay, they can help you with any questions, but I probably won't be answering anything just until I get all these kind of done. It'll make it easier for the stream, especially when we're about to look to trade. Okay, so I have my daily support right here. Okay, I have daily resistance forming on the same candle. All right, and then pretty much we're looking good here. I do want to get one piece of information if we do tend to break. You saw it happen yesterday. Okay, where gold, or I forget if it was gold or another one, they broke down previous structure, and luckily we had the next level set up on the daily just to ensure that we knew where we were, so we're not having to fumble around and search when we're live. Okay, so that's the next daily level if it breaks. Okay, so daily support if previous support is broken. All right, what I'm looking to do now is drop it down to the 4-hour. Ali, what's going on, my man? Okay, you can see pretty straightforward here. Finding some nice support level on the daily, and now we're starting to push up. I see a 4-hour resistance coming in at this wick right here. Okay, so 4-hour resistance. All right, you can see the daily still holding strong. All right, you have 4 rejection candles here. Price tried to push up, rejection, and the last 3 there was no attempt to even challenge this wick, and then you had your bearish engulfing candlestick starting to form, which pushed price back to down to that 1850 point, around 1850 area. Okay, I do see a key level of support on the 4-hour starting to form on the current ignited candle. There's no bottom wick. Okay, so we have 4-hour support. All right, let's now break it down to the hourly, guys. Okay, You can see all this congested territory that we're coming into. Push-pull movement here. Okay, the engulfing candlestick you can see is starting to form by these three candles right here. Okay, and price is now testing our 4-hour resistance. All right, I do see 1 hour support level. Okay, right at the current candle here. All right, so 1 hour support. Okay. All right, I do see an hourly resistance coming up here, which is the previous wick. Okay. And it's good to get these levels, guys, simply because they're higher time frame support and resistance. They're going to act a little stronger than your lower time frames, like your 5, 10s, and potentially 15 minutes. Okay, so let's drop now down to the 30. All right, you can see that the 30-minute is pretty almost the same as coming near the hourly. We are still testing that 4-hour resistance. There's a lot of wicks. Price has been rejected. Let's take a peek at the RSI. Okay, you can see that we are testing that 50 line right here. Okay, so 50. And if we break above there, most likely we're going to break that 4-hour resistance and continue at least maybe to the hourly or the daily. Okay, so price is attempting now that 50 line and the 4-hour. It's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at on the 15 how it looks. Okay, definitely see a nice steady uptrend here on the 15-minute. Price is still holding strong. Okay, we do see a lot of wick. All right, I do see an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. I see a shoulder here, I see a head here, and I see a secondary shoulder here, which is a reversal pattern. So price, if it's going to break up near that 4-hour, you can see it's attempting right now. We're going to take a peek and look at this on the 15. Okay, sorry, on the 5. All right, so looking good, tempting this 4-hour, still holding it strong on that trend. Okay, I do see nice 5-minute support level starting to form. Okay, right around here. And if we look to the previous structure to the left, we were to drag this, it would be acting as previous resistance, and then same to the left if you continue. Okay, so I'm liking this as 5-minute support. Okay, text good. There we go. Okay. Now, guys, we're going to throw on our moving averages here. Okay, we have the 9 that we need to put on. Okay, we also have the 200. You can see it's attempting to break the 200. Let me make this a little bit thicker for you guys just so it's not as, just so you can see it. Okay, and then same with the 9. Okay, so there we go. Okay, guys, members, you guys already nice, you guys caught it too. Okay, guys, so generally what I do is top-down analysis. I like to check the RSI. On the RSI, we are above the 50, which is looking pretty good. Okay, right here, you're starting to get a 200 break. All right, the next level that this thing can go to, obviously, you can see would be the 1 hour. Okay, but we got to watch and see how this is going to make its move. Okay, that'll be a 5-minute resistance. That's just the next level that it potentially could get rejected at. Let's see, there's a little bit of divergence here, but price, you can see that price is turning horizontal, where price is starting to make an upward trending move. Very, very bullish. You can see it's starting to break through the 4-hour now. This is looking very strong so far, but the thing is we need to get a close above here. If not, we're going to get a rejection and it's going to start to sell. Okay, so it's a critical time. All right, but we just have to watch and see how this is going to move. All right, I do see an M pattern forming here, top, okay, neckline down here. That's if it gets rejected and starts to sell off and breaking our trend line that we have set here. Okay, I am going to erase this just because we're going to use the moving averages as our trend. Okay, I am just going to gather some next key area support, which is down here, and then one more right here, just so you can see. Okay, so price is starting to push up, guys. We might get a push. Okay, and then the rejection here, and price might start to dip off again. The current price we're trading at, guys, is 1862.69. All right, a little bit of a wick right here, so price has pushed down. Okay, it's very indecisive right now. I don't like where we're at. Okay, every time that we get caught in these moving averages, okay, that's a little nicer of a move. Okay, so they are trying to break here. If price wants to continue, the moving average crosses might happen. You might get a golden cross pushing up to the hourly or maybe the daily. All right. So there's a go. There's a 4-hour push. Okay, I haven't taken anything yet, guys. Like I said, we just did this right now. So we're going to monitor this accordingly. All right. You can see we're breaking through that 4-hour nice and clean. Okay, nice clean break right here. But we need to hold above here. If not, okay, price is going to start reject and we can adjust accordingly. But for right now, guys, I am going to test and add an alert. Okay, I have a feeling this thing's going to tap within 2 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to head over and I'm going to chart GBP USD. Okay, so monitor this, guys. If we hold above here in a retest, this thing is going to have a nice continuation. All right, so let's go head over and look at GBP USD. Members, watch gold for me. All right, go to the daily on GU. Okay, guys, so we are in territory which is back in June 2020. Okay, June 2020. If we see this here, okay, Bomdev, thanks for that, dude. Appreciate all your spamming. Appreciate it if you're trying to help the channel. Okay, so there we guys, we just tapped the higher time frame resistance. Okay, so we will go back to gold, but first we are going to look for our supply. Okay, okay, you can see, look at the choppy action here. We're definitely oversold on the daily. Okay, that doesn't matter for GU or for really FX pairs. You know, anything can kind of happen. I'm looking at a GU daily support level. Okay, generally right here. Okay, I have resistance forming on the same candlestick. Okay, let's drop now down to the 4-hour, guys. Okay, tighten it up a bit. Looking good. Okay, I see a 4-hour support level starting to hold right here on GU. Okay, guys, 1 second here. Okay, and now we have some resistance coming in on the 4-hour as well. Okay. Members, check the chat. Just send some updates here on Nasdaq. Okay. Perfect. All right, my next levels that I'm looking at, guys. Okay, past the daily. Okay, we have 1 hour. I see an hourly support level right here. Okay, and then I'm seeing 1 hour resistance right here. Cancel that. Guys, just watch and see. It's going to attempt to fill that wick there. If you look to the left on the 5-minute for NASDAQ, you will see that there is previous support level, which is going to act as resistance. So monitor that accordingly, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, so looking good. You can see 4-hour and hourly have been chosen. Nice clean lines. All right, hourly here. Okay, my next area on the 30-minute, I will be looking for probably the drop down to the 15. Okay, I don't really need to add too much on the 30. I do see some resistance here, but it is coming towards the near the 4-hour. So this will be the one time I'll put this on here. Yeah, Nasdaq, US Tech, US 100. Yep, both are generally, you're going to get them all across different brokers. Okay, so I didn't say buy, I just said take a look at it where it is. Okay, and then we'll take a peek right after we finish up GU. I see 15-minute resistance here holding strong. Okay, perfect, guys. Now we're going to drop to the 5 and we can adjust accordingly for GBP USD. Okay, take a look at the 15 one more time. Okay, so guys, if we start to break here, you see how it held, it dropped below, nice deep sell here. Okay, that sell dropped really in the 4-hour time frame for about maybe 15 pips. Okay, and it pushed back up, had a retracement. Okay, still holding below the 50 on the RSI. All right, so let's watch and see if price is going to get a push down. Okay, if it does, guys, I want to take a peek on the 5-minute. Okay, nice W pattern here, double bottom on GU, looking to push back up. So if we hold here, guys, the 4-hour support, we're going to start to walk back up. If not, we're going to break and then have our settle sell coming down to the downtrend again. Okay, so let's take a peek at this. All right, I like opportunities for GU sells. That's just the way I've been biased towards GU. Okay, I know there's divergence coming up in higher time frames. Okay, but we'll watch and see if we do get a short-term sell on GU. It's about a 15 pip move. My stop loss will be at the 30-minute resistance right here. Okay, and we'll see how this is going to go. All right, if price wants to drop further, we do have a level of support right here. Okay, and this is just a setup right now. Don't hedge and enter in it, guys. Anything can kind of happen. All right, but the momentum has potentially shifted. Okay, I'm just going to mark something like this, and then we have something like that down there. Okay, going to maybe mark there to there. Okay, so let's watch and see, guys. It's all going to be dependent on this 4-hour. All right, all dependent on this 4-hour. All right, so we'll monitor this. I am going to set one more and add an alert. Okay, probably just going to erase that and then we'll be good. Okay, guys, so let's go check out gold here. All right, okay, you can see that gold is starting to hold through the 200. Okay, you can see that we're starting to potentially cross right here. Okay, guys, the current time, wait until 8 a.m. All right, wait until 8 a.m. You can see we have massive moves. Okay, here's 640 right here. You have an engulfing candlestick, bearish, bullish flag pattern. Here's 650, and then you have 7 o'clock, which is the continuation. All right. Let's see if we have any news today. Haven't really talked about any news. Okay, we do at 10 a.m. All right. So you can see, let's just maybe move this back here. Okay, 10 a.m. you have jolts. Okay, until then we really have nothing. Okay, you have EU news at 9. Okay, there's a speaking summit going on. All right, for EU, so that'll be an interesting, folder release and see how EU starts to move. Okay, you can see that gold is still pushing up, guys. All right, still having that nice above the 50 line break. Okay, and if we're going to get a continuation here, we got to get past this resistance and then start to push up near the hourly. Okay, but again, we're starting to get a push down here. You can see, so it's going to be probably a little bit of a head fake action. Okay, coming into where we're at right now. It'll be interesting how the new hourly candle opens up. Okay, the new hourly, which is 8 o'clock. Okay, so which will be in about 10 minutes. All right, so we want to get hourly opens. Okay, so I'm going to flip over. I'm going to do one check out GU for one more time. Okay, see how she's looking. Okay, GU looking like it's holding above that 9. Okay, so Okay, so let's go check out US 30 now. Members, you have Nasdaq, okay? You have GU, all right? Just mention it, just types it in the group. That's what will be me, what I look to take. If that does not happen, then we will look at another thing, okay? So let's go ahead over, take a peek at US 30. Go to the daily here. Remove the moving averages. Okay, guys, so the three we're going to watch are gold, Nasdaq, US 30, and GU. Nasdaq will come later on in the stream, all right? I don't want to focus on too many. Okay, you can see we have nice demand right here starting to form. The slow part is just getting everything set up. But if you don't get everything set up the proper way, guys, trust me, things will not go your way. Okay, so we do have 6 count back. Do see a nice supply area right here. Okay, almost the same spot as yesterday. I remember doing this. Okay. Do see the daily support down here. You can also see there's a daily level right here at the bottom of that wick. Okay. So we go daily support. Okay, members, if you got it on that Nasdaq, just watch and see. It's got to get past this critical level right here. Just starting to push through right now. Have some daily resistance right here too. All right, I see the next level of daily coming down here, which is the wick. Okay, just in case it does break. Remember, we talked about having a backup. Okay, looking good. Okay, let's drop now down to the 4-hour, guys. Choppy right now. Okay, have 4-hour resistance. I'm noticing this long wick. All right, this thing fills, guys. That's a big move. Might not happen right now, but that wick right there, you're looking at about 280 points. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see if this is going to be maybe a head and shoulder pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder, or if it's going to dump back down, break these levels of support, and come back down to the daily. Okay. All right, so let's go down to the hourly. Guys, gold is going down, you're saying. I would be very careful on gold. Okay, just to where it is. We'll go back and check it for 1 second here. It's still above the 200, holding above that 4-hour. Okay, so on the hourly, you can see nice structure formed. I don't really need to add anything here, so we can go to the 30-minute. Okay. To see nice level of resistance coming in. All right, you have a 2-bar play right here. Okay, you have a nice 2-bar play. Okay, but we need to get more volume closing. All right, I do see a level of support, which is probably going to be on the 15 coming in. Okay, so let's mark that as a 30-minute. Okay, we'll drop now down to the 15. Okay, looking good. GU ignited bull. Okay, perfect, guys. So ignore that last potential. All right. We'll check that in 2 seconds. Okay, guys, Nasdaq is running. You guys held on to that. Let's take a look at the 5 now. Okay, we'll go check out GU. Uno momento here. Nasdaq is pushing, guys. Okay, and then we will check everything, guys. You're coming to 7:55. It's the new hourly candle. You're going to get push moves right around this time. Okay, so we got US 30 starting to rush here. All right, coming to the 30-minute resistance, very similar to Nasdaq. All right, we are breaking above. Okay, starting to look good. I can see Nasdaq and US 30 getting to this level right here. Okay, so if you guys are still in on that, hold it. Okay, we're probably going to get up to this price. Okay, price is still looking very sexy right now. Okay, so that's the target. Still looking good. Okay, let's go check out GU right now. It said it's flipping bullish. Okay, there we go, guys. Nothing going on GU. All right, in terms of a sell, so we can ignore that. We can erase. Nothing dipped down. Would have looked good, but again, you can see it's starting to flip bullish right now. Okay, so we're still going to hold these coordinates. Okay, so we're going to monitor now what GU's next move will be. All right, we're going to take a peek at gold as well. It's the wrong gold. Sorry, guys. I have a couple of them on here. All right, nice clean rejection here, right at the critical point where it is opportunistic to make a golden cross. But again, we have to get the follow through. We're still, guys, 4 minutes until that new hourly candle opens. Okay, what kind of candle is this right here? Momentum is still very strong, guys, but you guys understand what type of candle this is. Got to watch for this. Nasdaq is still pumping up, guys. So if you guys are holding Nasdaq, you're looking good. So we got to see if that candlestick is going to actually have the momentum to maybe change direction, but we'll watch and see here. Okay, let's take a pick at GU2. I like gold where it is. Brian, good. You got the Nas buy. Good, 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 good. Take a peek on GU here. So GU is still floating. Okay, had a nice cross here. Okay, we missed the initial move. All right, we missed the initial move. Okay, I'm going to erase that just because it was an alarm. You can now see that the price is pushing back up. All right, from the double bottom here. You have one bottom here, secondary bottom. We're going to see if GU is maybe going to get a nice little push to the upside. Okay, we're just going to follow the trend. You can see the price was rejected here before. Okay, let's take a look at the 15 and then the hourly. All right, look at the hourly candle right here, starting to form engulfing. Okay, coming into 2 minutes. So if it closes above here, we can maybe see GU starting to push up to the daily. All right, so let's watch and see here how we're going to get this move. If price of GU wants to continue in the bullish trend. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a small feeler buy on GU. Okay, we might go in and out at this time, but the momentum is very strong. Okay, if it wicks back down, my stop loss will probably be near the 4-hour support right here. If you don't feel comfortable with anything like this, remember the first 5 minutes of the hourly candle. All right. Adnan, we don't have a Telegram. Okay, Telegram is the old group. Hopefully you did not get. We have Discord. Okay, just letting you guys know. All right. Let's go check out gold here too. We got GU starting to roll. So watch for GU to retest unless we're going to get maybe a nice continued push. So I'm watching GU right here. Going to set an alarm. Okay, guys, I'm running about 2 pips right now on GU. Okay, we'll watch and monitor this. All right, as soon as we tap right here, I'm going to scale out 90% and then leave a little bit of a runner. I'm up 4 pips. Okay. So we'll monitor this accordingly. I'm going to flip over and check out gold for a second. Okay, so gold is still walking to the upside, guys. If we get an hourly resistance break here, price can continue to the upside. Okay, but we're going to watch very closely where we're at on gold. Okay. Okay, you can see to the left we have some resistance here starting to form. Okay, gold is getting rejected. All right, so we'll monitor gold here. All right, I want to see Nasdaq, US 30 and GU. Okay, GU is still pushing, guys. A little bit of resistance here. Nice strong momentum. I'm going to secure 90% of this trade, guys, and I'm going to leave a little bit of a runner here. Okay. Okay, so if we're not getting up there, it might be the first TP looking right here. Okay, which will be a nice move to the left. All right, if we follow through, guys, that first TP, you're looking at about 7-8 pips, and this one will be about 13. Okay. So we'll monitor this. Set an alarm right here. We already do. Perfect. So let's go check out US 30 here, guys. Gold is right hovering around that 200 moving average. Look at US 30, guys. You guys would be same with Nasdaq. If you guys are still holding Nasdaq, you guys are starting to get a golden cross here, looking very bullish. US 30 is the same thing. All right. So if we're believing that this is going to push through, guys, this thing is a big move. GU is running here hard. Okay. Okay, so we'll monitor this. All right, we have to get above here. The rejection, you can see, I mentioned before. Okay, a lot of resistance forming here. Okay, a lot of resistance. So we have to get beautiful, guys. GU is now running. My runner is 10 pips. It's $1. I am running 10 pips. Okay, so I took out and secured and left a runner, guys. There you go. Okay, you guys should be scaling out now. Okay, looking pretty good. Second TP would be right here. Okay. GU is very nice. GU is treating us nice, guys. It would have been way better to get it down here, obviously, but you work with what you get. Okay. I'm just letting you know I secured on that. Okay, I am good on GU right now. Okay, so I'm going to check out back to US 30 here, and then we'll go take a peek at gold. Gold just popped off, guys. Okay, gold just crossed. Nice bullish momentum coming to the daily here. Okay, nice bullish push. Should have had a buy right here. All right, you're not really chasing, I guess. You know, if you entered in something right there, now you would be. Okay, you can see that they're opening it up, looking like they might push bullish here. Let's take a look at the hourly. All right, look at this big momentum candle right here. Okay, so we're coming too close in the daily. All right, we're looking at getting the hourly resistance close below. All right, but if we hold that momentum, okay, if we hold this momentum from this bullish candle right here, okay, we can pop off and hit the daily. If not, guys, this thing can retrace and push right back down. All right. So we will monitor this. I just want to check out US 30 again. And GU will come back to gold. Okay, GU closed a little bit below. That's why I told you guys to secure when you can. Okay, it is holding above that 15-minute now. Okay, so we'll see how far this is going to hold. Let's take a peek at US 30. Okay, US 30 is coming to a clear potential breakout. All right, if price wants to follow through. Okay, if not, you're going to get some rejection and it's going to push right back down. Okay, gold is getting some rejection here. Let's flip back to gold. Okay, check this out, guys. We have an hourly rejection coming in. Okay, and this is an engulfing candlestick, guys. This is a big candle. All right, this is a big candle here. Here's your retest. Okay, the momentum is bullish. Okay, you can see we have short-term pullbacks here. All right, but the overall momentum as of late has been bullish. Okay, this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. You have shoulder, head, and shoulder here. Okay, so gold wants to drop. You can see we just tapped. Let's see how far we're going to get. Okay, I'm not looking at doing anything until we start to break below this moving average right here. Until that happens, we're going to sit on our hands. All right. My man Adnan, welcome, brother. Okay. Okay, looking pretty dirty right now. Watch and see the close of the candle. We got a minute and 53 seconds left. Okay, they can open this thing up no problem. And flip it bullish again. Okay, that's why we got to be very careful. Let's take a peek at US 32. Okay, US 30 is getting a little bit of rejection there. Let's take a peek at GU. Okay, GU is still flipping bullish, guys. Still looking good. Okay. There's no news today, guys. Okay, this is all strict. Just trading normally. Okay, nothing high impact. We have tomorrow, we have FOMC. Okay, and then on Friday, we have NFP. There is, sorry, Paul, you're absolutely right. There is one folder at 10 a.m., which is US. Okay, and that's for job jolts. Okay, 30 seconds left here, guys. Watch for this candle to close. See how the next one's going to open. Here's your retest. Okay, you can see the wick is retesting the previous candle open here. All right, check it out right here. Candle open with a rejection exactly where the retest was, and you can see they're pushing it back up now. Okay, Adidia, it's this. But I did not do it yet just because I'm still waiting for the candle to close and the next one to open. Okay, so there's your head fake right there. Okay, let's see now if price is going to push back up and then hold the daily. If not, you can see the nice long wick that will get filled. So let's watch and see where we're at, if price is going to continue or have the overall dip down head fake for the overall push to the upside. Okay, that's what this is, guys, the head fake. Okay, so far they pushed it down found support, previous resistance. Okay, so sorry, previous support. This is the resistance that was held. Now they're holding it at previous, okay, but they're holding it above the moving average. Okay, so nothing closed below. That's why you watched the first candle, dipped, and now we're starting to walk to the upside again. So guys, if gold is going to continue in this type of direction, we do know on the hourly, remember we talked about this, got rejection here, still above the 9. Okay, let's go to the 15. Indecision right now. Okay, and then we go down to the 5. It's showing you the confirmation hold so far above the 9. All right, so let's just quickly check out one thing here. Gold is going to have a nice indecisiveness, I think, today, just because of where we're at. Okay, GU is pumping up. There's the continuation on GU, guys. Okay, GU target is going to be that daily. All right, that daily coming in. Okay, we'll check out US 30. Okay, US 30 is pumping, guys. Guys, remember what's going on with US 30 members. First target's 4 hour. Okay, the next target's 33049. Okay, let's go take a peek at gold too. Okay, so here's the retest on that wick. Okay, heavy resistance here. Remember, guys, we just came from overbought territory. All right. So guys, just remember, okay, current time 8:15. Anytime we come around in here, it's indecision. Okay, it's a lot of head fake action right now. If you don't feel comfortable with gold, give gold maybe another 10 minutes. Okay, see if it's going to actually have that true level of support that it's holding. Okay, or pushing to the upside, or if we're going to break through. Okay, I do see nice critical support level starting to hold right around the 9 moving average. Okay, so she is starting to drop, but it's holding critical levels. So every time, guys, I have told you, all right, anything around these moving averages, you're going to have head fakes. Okay, that's why I'm not doing anything right now until we get confirmation rate to get away from these moving averages. Okay, let's go take a peek on how GU is doing too. Okay, GU is getting some resistance here. All right, you can see they're trying to push. Okay, but the resistance is starting to hold at this previous candle right here, leading into the bearish candle. So as I mentioned, guys, if you guys are in anywhere down here, okay, look to secure. All right, price can get pretty erratic when you start to get near these dailies. Okay, let's take a peek, and we're showing overbought territory on GU. Okay, so let's just monitor this accordingly. If we don't get above here, guys, that's not going to be a TP. All right, this might be what you get. Okay, but that would be the nice TP if we're going to get that continued flow. All right. Check out US 30 here. Okay, a little bit of resistance at the 200. Okay, let's take a peek at where we are at here. So we're showing a little bit of overbought territory on the 5 coming to. Okay, so wait for a little bit, maybe a pull down here. All right, let's take a look on the 15-minute and the hourly. Okay, take a look, guys. You can see the hourly, we're starting to form a 2-bar play. This could be a piercing line pattern. I think, yeah, there we go, guys. Members, you guys should be eating on US 30 right now. Okay, 2-bar play coming in. This candle is closing above 50% of the preceding bearish candle. Okay, and you can see now that this candle is starting to engulf almost this previous candle right here. So this is a potential piercing line if this candle can push above and tap the 4-hour. All right, let's take a look at the 5-2. Okay, remember, secure when you can. Leave a runner. All right. I just swiped 90% of that trade. Okay, gold is flipping bullish again, guys, so nothing closed below. All right, let's go take a peek at one time on gold. Okay, see how it's holding. Oh, wrong one. So there's no confirmation, any kind of sells yet on gold. Okay, gold is still looking pretty bullish as of right now. Look at the support that they're holding. Okay, as soon as it starts to break above here, the hourly, we can get a push. Okay, as soon as it breaks below this moving average, all right, starting to get that sell. Okay, so gold critical level right now. I'm really happy we did a few more things other than gold. All right, just because this stuff is choppy. Okay, I want to quickly just check one more time GU. Oh, guys, these are like Ranko candles right here starting to form. All right, you can see the resistance at the highs coming in, getting pushed back down. Okay, so if we're still in GU, you're looking good, but just monitor, because remember, we are coming to that place to the left. All right, and then we have US 30. Members, how many of you actually are in US 30 from below the moving average? Okay, I'm running about 9 pips, okay, on the close of the 90%. Okay, just going to erase this. You guys get the fact that we're coming to critical points, okay? So this is what we're looking like right now. If we can get this continued push, it's going to be fantastic. If not, this thing's going to push right back down, probably hold maybe below, okay? But we'll watch and see how the next candle opens up and this one closes, all right? No, Steve, it doesn't, but some people, they hedge. Not the best thing, but they got lucky on this one if they did. My man Alien made $5 million last night. My man. Very nice. 5 million rubles. Oh, God. Okay, gold is starting to push down a bit. Let's see again. Really indecisive action on gold at the moment. Okay. Look at this chop session right now. Choppy chop. All right. Let's go check out GU again. Okay, so there's your there's your push down candle. All right. But again, we have not broke the 4-hour resistance, so this is going to make this a 4-hour support level here. Okay, gold is dropping, US 30 is popping, guys. Let's go. Big move on the next candle I told you. So here's going to be a retest. Okay, nice. Okay, gold is just dumping now, guys. You can see. Okay, I'm running 8 pips on this gold sell here. Yep, Yusuf. Of course, I was in before. I was in up here. I was in on this head fake candle right here. I'm up 10 pips now. I told you guys to, once it breaks there, look to get in. Okay, and I'll send the group a screenshot. Johnny, I've typed them out clearly in a red flag, bro. You just got to pull the trigger, man. Okay, as I'm closing 90%, I'm already up 10 pips. Leaving a runner here. Okay. So here was the entry, guys. All right, your short was right below the moving average set as soon as it crosses. Okay. TP, your your stop loss will be at the hourly. Okay, and then you'd work from there. So right now, what I would do is move your stop loss to break even, and then my next TP would probably be down here if it starts to break. Okay. So gold is still running, guys. I'm going to look to secure this. Okay, and I'll look to find maybe another potential entry. Maybe not. Maybe I'll hold. Okay, I'm going to hold it down to the hourly. We'll see how this goes. It's $1 move. Okay, I closed. I did a standard 1.0, you guys can see, and then I scaled out 90%. I have $1 left running. Okay. You know what? I am going to secure this. Even if it drops, that's okay. We'll find something else. Okay. And I'll send you a screenshot just to show you guys. Ingo, you got 15 pips. Good, 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 good. Nice. All right, that was the money move of the day. Okay, that was the money move of the day, I think. Ian, is that today? Hopefully you weren't buying, dude. Okay, let's take a peek on GU too. See if GU has any kind of correlation. Okay, GU's still a little getting stuck at that hourly. Okay, Ian, good, good, good. You scared me for a sec, dude. I was gonna jump through the screen and I don't know. I know you're smarter than to buy at the highs. Okay. US 30, guys, that's why I told you to look to secure on that bad boy. Okay, you can see that US 30 is getting tested, the 9 moving average. Sorry, the 9 is just not coming close yet. Okay, the 200 is being tested. So I told you, get the break, secure. All right. So now we're going to watch and see what type of move this is going to bring. Okay, any type of movement around the 200 is going to have indecisive moves. Okay, you can see to the left. All right, and we're still in this same area. Okay, so don't be surprised with this type of movement. I've been saying it since we pushed up in here. Okay, so let's watch and see. Price can still hold above. Here's the retest on the 200. Okay, gold is still potentially dropping so far. All right, let's take a look at the DXY here, guys. Okay, look at the DXY, guys. Look at the DXY. Big, big dump. Look at this thing. Okay, which is ironic that gold just dumped off too. Okay, 750 coming into now the 830. All right. You can see now heavy, maybe retracement coming in on gold. Okay, I do see gold starting to push up just a bit. Okay, you can see they opened the candle right around that 5 minute. They're going to retest the moving averages right here, and we're going to see how this is going to go. Okay, US 30 is still holding around that general area. Okay, I am holding a small lot size, okay, from the initial runner. All right, and it's fluctuating in and out as of right now. Hi Dave, my son Rian Mozarm here. Can you please say hello to him and say Eid Mubarak? He don't know about this message. My man, I was just reading something very similar to that. Rian Mozam, I want to say hello to you, bro. Happy Eid Mubarak. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you eat lots of food, spend time with the family, and you know, make sure to understand that it's going to be a blessed day for everyone. Okay, so happy holidays, guys. Hope everyone had a good one, and you know, let's try to make it the best month to date. How about that? That's a good goal for all of us. Okay. Rian, no problem. I was not reading that live. You did not send me that. I was reading something else to another Rian on YouTube. So sorry if that came off a little funny. And also, Rian, it's in Canada and everywhere else, it's Taco Tuesday. Okay? So if you like tacos, guys, make sure to eat Taco Tuesday. Today's the day. All right? Cool. So what do you guys think right now? What do you guys think US 30 is? Okay? What do you guys think US 30 is going to be? A buy or sell right now, guys? Everyone's looking sell right now. Okay, the reason why I'm assuming they're thinking sells is because the previous, it's basically a supply area coming into it, right? It looked pretty promising for the buys. Okay, it looked juicy, nice momentum forming, but again, the selling opportunities can come in here. So they're giving you a second option. Okay, they're giving you, well, not a second option, sorry, I shouldn't say that. They're giving you a way that if you're in a buy right now to maybe look to close. Okay, because this thing can push back down. All right, it can maybe retest the 9, and if you're not willing to look into getting to drawdown like that, just close roughly where you are. Okay, you should not have bought at the high right above here. Okay, should have waited, especially if it broke through the 200. You should have waited for the next candle because there's obviously going to be a retest. Okay, there's your retest, and now here's the candle to see if we're going to look for an entry or potentially look to short it or look for a potential buy. Okay. So, and how you can tell that, guys, is looking at the hourly. All right. Remember we talked about a piercing line pattern here. We still got about 30 minutes and 43 seconds left. This is a piercing line. Okay. I believe it's going to be a piercing. Okay. And what that is this candlestick is proceeding as a bearish, very bearish candle. Okay. This bullish candle has opened parallel to the open. It's closing above 50% of this bearish candle. The next candle preceding should be almost engulfing this candlestick, so it's a 2-bar play looking for a continuation to the upside. Okay, so although we're looking for sells on the hourly, this piercing line pattern could have a nice potential play out if it follows through. Okay, if not, guys, it's going to hold below this 9 moving average right here. Okay, you see that 9 MA, the white one, they're going to push it right back down, hold it below the consolidation, and then you might get a flip, and then it might start to push back down towards the 30-minute or the 15. Okay, so there's a couple options for US 30 to have right now. All right, I am up $5, guys, on my $1 runner. Okay, and this line, this 9 EMA still is getting closer to the 200. Okay. Adidas 200, if we all took a 10 lot, I still don't think it would be enough. I really don't. Because then you got the big banks doing, they have 100,000 of them doing 100 lots, right? And then we would get screwed. But I like the thought process. We might be able to do that with something else. You know what I'm saying? We have the following to be able to do that with something else, but maybe not with the US 30. You know what I mean? So gold is still dumping, guys. Let's take a peek. Oof, guys. So nice rejection coming in at the 9 EMA. Okay, you can see it's starting to hold back down now. All right, guys. Here's a question for you. Okay, if you could go to a Mexican joint right now or wherever it is, what kind of tacos would you guys get? Me personally, I like fish and I like beef tacos. It's Taco Tuesday, guys, and people keep mentioning Taco Tuesday to me. So I want to know what you guys like. Aditi never had tacos? Oh my goodness. We got to get you some tacos. Oh, you're vegan, e-green? Respect. Respect. I have a lot of respect for that. Roddy Kenny, I never had that. Is it good? Poutine tacos, Ryan, that's good, man. Ooh, Brian, my man on YouTube, Brian Lefebvre, he said it best. Shrimp tacos, guys. Shrimp tacos, my man. Oof. DeWalt, there's no tacos in South Africa? Man, you should be the first one. You got to start a taco stand. Here's a business idea. You're going to import everything you need for tacos, okay? And you're going to be the first one to start a taco truck. Guys, did anyone hold these gold cells? I didn't hold, but if you did, you would running. I was happy with my 15 pips, okay, and it's still dumping here. Guys, for everyone on YouTube, there you go. There's your business advice for the day. Go out and start a taco truck. All right. Okay, US 30 is kind of gunning in and out of here. Let's take a peek one more time at GU. Guys, look at GU just smashing the daily here. My man Rob Mack, US 30 is running too, guys. I'm up another 15 pips. Let's take a peek here. Ooh, there we go, guys. Dip down. Remember I told you the 9 moving average. If you didn't want to go in the drawdown, there we go. Okay, GU was honestly one of the best moves today. Same with gold. So we should have caught GU way down here. My man Rob Mack, Mac Daddy GU, Adidas, you guys let me know about it. So thank you so much, guys. US 30 is running 30 pips right now. Okay. Tony, you still in GU? My girl, that's it. So roughly, guys, that thing's about roughly 20 pips if you guys got it. Okay, let's go take a peek now. Crypto wallet, yeah, I know you don't want to work, but if you had a taco truck, okay, you can make profits to pay for that, so it's paid off quick, and then you can hire some employees. That's always a good option. Look at gold, guys, dirty gold. All right, so it's going to try to hold past near the hourly support here, okay? Guys, I do see one dirty bad candle right here to the left, okay, coming into the daily. Okay, if you see that bad boy right there, that's my bias towards sells, and I'm telling you the truth, okay? The reason why I said gold is looking potentially reversal is because of this candle right here I noticed on the daily. And obviously we talked about yet last week on Friday, I went over my strategy, okay, that I like to use. All right, we come to an overbought or oversold condition. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, this one, luckily, we had the moving averages appearing. So as soon as we broke below the 9 moving average, which happened right here, and then you got pretty much a gravestone doji, okay, pushing through, that's when you got your dump, okay. So that's my candle that I got in on. If you would have held, okay, you can see that this movement dropped even further. All right, now they're holding at that hourly support. But what I meant was right here. You see how it crossed the 50 line, okay, and it pushed back up, and it held below the 50 and it pushed back down again. Okay, that's the 50 line acting as support and resistance. Obviously now you can see the gold is pumping back up. Okay, we weren't even in on that. So if you guys didn't secure, that's the type of move you get based on the closing above the hourly. Okay, so I'm just gonna move that. Sorry, not down there, right there. All right. Okay, guys, and if you want to talk about US 30 here, we're talking about support and resistance, supply and demand. Okay, you can see US 30, the micro movement, all right, that we're running for here is still pushing. Okay, I'm up 30 pips on the initial buy entry. Okay, 32 now. I just closed. Okay, so you can see the break here getting to that 4-hour resistance. Now, Adidia, remember how you were the first one to say look for short-term sells. This now is going to be the area where if we get rejected, it's going to start to push down. Okay, if not, you're going to start to see this thing push back up and at least get to 33,036. Okay, and there's the pump, guys. Look at this. So guys, if you're wondering why these members are even in on this, okay, this is where I told them to look to get in. I said once it starts to close above the 200, and it did, they would have went into a short-term drawdown here, but it held above the 9, and then it started to proceed bullish. Now let me explain something to you here. Remember I talked about certain candles, okay? Remember I talked about certain candles? Let's take a look on this hourly right here. Do you guys understand what a 2-bar play is? Okay, remember I talked about this? This candle closed 50% of the preceding bearish candlestick. I'm going to go over this again. The next candle opened at a support, and then you can see these two candles combined engulfed this previous bearish candlestick right here. So you can see they broke through and pushed past the 9 EMA. So when you talk about candlestick patterns, guys, go look it up, a piercing line. Okay, this thing is a critical pattern that led us and me to looking to tell these guys to look for short-term buys. Okay, so that is what I was looking for on the hourly, and it kind of came true. All right, so you can see we came to our 4-hour resistance here. That was the overall target. So if you guys are in on that, look to smash it. Okay, have your stop loss if you guys want moved in profit, or have it nice and tight now, okay, just in case, or secure what you want. All right, Simon, you got 60 pips on NAS and the 10% runner. That's beautiful. Okay, let's take a peek on gold too. Wow, guys, look at gold. Okay, so this is a heavy engulfing candlestick right here. Look at this. So remember we were short-term sells. Okay, they picked up liquidity hard at that hourly. Okay, they picked up that hard on the hourly. Okay, this candle engulfed the last 15 minutes of selling pressure here. All right. Okay, look at this candle, guys. Wow, that's big. Holy shit. Guys, that is a 50 pip candle. Okay, that is a 50 pip candle. All right. This is a very bullish candlestick, guys. Like, this thing could be doing one of two things. Okay, it could be pushing up to evaporate all the previous stop losses here, and they could dump it back down, or they can start to hold it above the moving averages right here and start to walk back up. But one key thing I see here, guys, is this long wick at the bottom. Okay, and I also see the long wick to the left right here. Okay, so there are two long wicks on gold, okay, that could potentially show nice selling pressure here. All right, but again, this type of move, if you guys didn't secure, if you guys listen, if you guys are not happy with this type of move, even down here, 20, 30, 40 pips, you have to rethink your strategy here in your head. What are you doing? What am I doing here? Am I looking to be that greedy that I need to have 50, 60 pips to be happy? Or am I happy with 15, 20 pips? Okay. So let's take a peek now at US 30. Ooh, there we go, guys. So she closed above. Okay, this is the 4 hour. Okay, now you can see they're starting to get some momentum. Okay, they're closing, they're starting to cross here. All right. This was a battle, guys. There was a lot of skeptics, and probably me. I was nervous. Okay, in terms of this area to the left, you can start to see that how much push-pull movement we went through. It was looking like at one time nice selling pressure, but you can see the nice support level that was held here. Okay, at 32,975 was the key area to hold this bad boy. Omi, is it good to buy now on US 30? Not really, dude. If you buy now, let's see this candle start to go. Just letting you know, man, that you kind of buying at the high. You see the overbought territory we're coming to. All right. Okay. So let's go take a peek now at GU one more time. Okay, wow, guys, look at GU. That broke the daily. Holy hell. Look at this. Okay, nice daily. What happened to the DXY, guys? I haven't seen it, sorry. Oof. She gone, guys. And this is, guys, this is so beautiful to see. I know it's horrible to notice the dollar kind of tanking, but look at this. What pattern do you see right here? Within this general area, what pattern do you guys see? Please tell me you guys see a double top. Do you guys see a double top or double bottom? What do you guys see? Calabasimo, my man. That's it. M pattern, you guys are nailing it right too. Yeah, good, guys, good. Look, M pattern here. Here's the neckline. It broke and it retested the moving average, and then you can see that it dumped. Okay. Beautiful sell pressure, guys. Beautiful sell pressure here. Okay. Remember I talked about M's and W's, guys. You can make a hefty consistency by just trading those patterns. You will get head faked out, decent amount of times, but the ones that could play through, okay, you can really attack them with good steam. Okay. All right. Let's check out now Goldie. Okay. Remember I mentioned to you guys that the market makers, different things like this, whatever you want to call them. Okay. This trade right here, we were done. Okay. But now you can see how they just took all the stop losses out. See that big bullish candlestick? They just rated all the stop losses there. Okay. Up to at least almost the hourly. Okay. And now you can see they're starting to dump, continue it to the downside here. All right. I'm not going to look to do anything now until market open, guys. I'm going to be straight up honest with you. Okay. My moves that we did in the group were good enough for me on US 30, GU, and gold. All right. If this thing does dump, guys, it's going to come back down to the daily. Okay. It's right near the daily. Okay. And now the push down is potentially coming down here. All right. We have a long wick. Okay. And then we have another long wick right here. Yeah, guys, we do have a news folder on EU coming in about 20 minutes here, 15 minutes, sorry. All right. Okay, there's US 30, guys. You guys should be in heavy, 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 heavy pips potential. If you guys anywhere got in around here, you're running about 60 pips, guys. That's a big move. That's a very big move. Please tell us when you're placing trades. Peak a music topic. We do some analysis like that, okay, but it's in the Zoom. All right. Would not be fair to everyone who was in our Zoom if we just blasted we're doing this here. I told you guys that I was buying GU. That was like the one free trade of the day. Okay. Judging by the potential and all the time spent on US 30 here, looking bullish, you guys could have picked that up and then pretty much thought that we were looking for a bullish trend here. Okay. So you can join up, man, if you want. Okay, if not, there's, like I said, stick around. We're doing this type of stuff every day. So if you catch on, you catch on. And if you want buy or sell channels, guys, if you want someone to say I'm buying and selling here, I'm sure there's plenty of other YouTubers who do that for you. So you can check them out too. Okay. So you can see TP2 was broken here, guys. We're starting to rise. PK, no worries, man. No worries. It's a good question. Honestly, we get it. We get it a lot. All right. We just, got to be fair to everyone. Okay. So, guys, there's about 2 minutes here. All right. Let me see what we got going on. Guys, we got about 557 people here. Okay. If you guys want to bump the likes to about 300, generally just what I ask. Not just me, obviously, the whole team. You got Shahab here, you got Paul, you got Victoria, you got Noor, and my man Ron. Okay. And then we'll do Nasdaq, guys. If you guys want Nasdaq market open, we will trade Nasdaq, do a top down at about 9 o'clock, and we will start to do trades leading into Nasdaq. Okay. Kunal, it does. We do monthly, we do live Zoom sessions, we do back testing sessions. Okay, we're gonna post a video on YouTube for you guys. Okay, it's a live trade that Ron did in London session. Okay, all right. We've back tested it. We're gonna post this today for you guys. So if you want to check out the live stream for London, okay, you'll be able to see this. We've added some cool features on it. So the video is about 30 minutes. We will be posting this today, guys. So please check it out. Probably right after the stream or midday. That way, if you have any questions about, maybe a London session, you can kind of get all your information based on that. Okay. Dennis the Unforgiving. Sorry, buddy, I'm missing what you're saying. Thought we were tight. Cool, guys. Okay, so just chilling here. Let's see. Gold. Okay, check out gold here. So push back down, a lot of choppiness coming in. Gundam, do you still do Japan session? It depends. Okay, it depends on maybe some red folders, but you got to remember Tokyo session is one of the worst sessions to trade. You got high spreads and then you got erratic, very low volume movement. Okay, so it's not the best unless you're willing to go in there and lose everything you got in the day. That's what you need to think. All right. Okay, so let's go check out the DXY here. One more time, GU. Okay, so GU is starting to push. Okay, push, and then you get rejected. Now coming to that daily resistance, which is support now. All right, yeah, Rob, you understand it. You gotta, trading becomes an addiction after a while. You gotta learn when to walk away. You gotta learn when to walk away. All right, Gundam. If you do stop, okay, and you give yourself full attention, okay, if you give yourself full attention on just the 2 sessions, you don't even need to take the trade ideas. You can take them in demo account if you want, right? Give yourself, two couple hours a day and then walk away. All right. More than that, can lead to a lot of stress. A lot of just, one addiction to the chart, and then it can lead to misplaced trades. You know what I mean? So I did it. Yeah, you get it. And that's you understand. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is power hour. You know what I mean? That's in Eastern Standard. So that's the last time that we would ever look to anything. Until London. Exactly. So, my man Ben Black, know when to hold him, know when to fold him. US 30 looks like it's retracing a bit. Let's go check it out. Okay, so getting some rejection here. You got to expect this at some point, guys. Remember, we are showing overbought conditions. Okay, let's take a look on that hourly, see what the line is looking like. Here's the resistance. We've broken through the 4 hour. And now the pierce, you're coming to about 4 hours of heavy rejection right here. Okay. Okay, so guys, if you were in US 30 or still are, look to secure some of this. Most likely it's going to come back and tap the 9 EMA. Okay. Cooper Hastings, guys, if you look, my man Cooper, I know he's been, constantly in and out with us. I know he's doing his thing, but he always comes back. I joined the crew last week and now have made what he has said that I used to make in 30 days, right? It all depends on what you are, what type of trader you are. We didn't ask him to post that, trust me. So, conditions on buy or sell in US 30, I would tell you to leave it alone. Okay, just a suggestion because of the time. If you guys see, it's 8:53 right here. Okay, 8:53. You know, leading into that new hourly. Remember, I told you guys this is all within 1 hour. So I told you guys to wait until 8 a.m. Okay, 8 a.m. produced. Listen to me, if you want. Okay, 8 a.m. produced right here. This type of move. Okay, if you caught this bullish candle, not many people probably would have. You caught the bullish candle. Okay, so two massive moves. You had a 50 pip drop here. Okay, look what happened on GU within the 1 hour. That's a 25 pip push on GU buy in 1 hour. Okay, so you have 50 pips on gold drop, maybe 40 pips, whatever you got in. You now have 25. Okay, so around 75 pips. And then if we go to US 30, the buys. Okay, those are around 60 pips. Guys, well over 100 pips in less than an hour from 8 to 9 a.m. Like, you don't need to trade a long time to be able to make this type of pips. Okay. All right. DN, you do get some trade ideas. They're sent from 10, 11 a.m. all the way to 3 to 5 p.m. Okay, with focus heavily on intraday and then power hour, which is 3 to 5. And the reason why we do only that time, guys, is because we're trading live London. All right, we go live London 2:45 to around 4:45. All right, and that's around 5 days a week. And then you wait 1 hour, an hour and a half, and then we start New York. So we're live trading in the morning, right? So the trade ideas when they're from 10, 11 until 3 to 5, right? That's really what we can do. We don't send anything out in Tokyo sessions simply because of the erratic behavior and the high spreads and low volume. All right. So, Commando, I have $10. Any recommendation? I would save that until you have a little bit more. Okay, because $10 will not give you a large enough account to do anything. All right. Tokyo killed the accounts trying to make something of nothing, and Dave says less time trading is better. I now spend more spare time and want to trade. Yeah, Rob, see, but you get it. I wish more people could read what you are saying now and really understand it. Find the good times, trade for an hour and a half, 2 hours. If you do not like what you're seeing, walk away. The market is always open, guys. And this is just the one market. You're not even talking about the stock market, too. You could scalp options. You guys haven't even seen Ron or Blair scalping Tesla in minute candles. I don't do that, but we have people who do. They make 200%, 300% in 5 minutes, you know, which that will maybe come. Don't worry, we talked about that. All right. We have videos with it showing live on our YouTube. Garo FX, which broker do you use? We recommend HankoTrade just because we're a big believer in digital currency. Okay, there's a link in the description box in this in the stream. Okay, make sure to click on it and just try a demo account if it makes sense for you. All right. If it doesn't, then you find someone else. Also, Hanko accepts U.S. clients, which is nice. A lot of people have trouble finding U.S. So just try it out, guys. Open a demo account before you fund anything. That's the way you should always be. Always do your due diligence before anything. Okay. Shahab, if you can find that 1 minute Tesla scalping video within 3 minutes, let's see if we can find it here. And guys, remember, this is not something we're launching within the next 30 days. This is just something that has been done. Okay, and it was not me. Okay, it was Ron and Blair. But I just wanted to show you guys. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, guys, so we got 2 minutes here. Trust me, I always take a little bit of time coming into the hourly. All right. Remember, if you don't like it, please understand there's a reason why we do this, just because hourly candles can have trend reversals. Okay. Shahab, I'll get it. Don't worry, bro. Josh, yeah, we got you on that one, dude. No issues on that. We did respond yesterday, so we'll be in touch. Okay, so you're good. Okay, so just indecision right now, guys. GJ looks nice. Did you send in the group what you're looking at, GJ, right now? Okay, let's check it out. Guys, in about 2 seconds, we're going to look at Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, here's the Tesla trade options right here. We'll post this in. 1 year ago. Excuse us for the horrible excuse us for the horrible YouTube editing. We got someone way better now. I just wanted to find it. Guys, so 9 a.m. All right, let's see what we got going on here. We're going to chart Nasdaq, absolutely. Let's see if we got those 300 likes. Okay, guys, about 25 more likes. Okay, can you guys smash that up? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've been drinking a lot of coffee. I do have to go to the washroom for 2 seconds. I am a normal human being. I'm not robo man. I will be back within literally 2 minutes. Okay, we will be doing a top-down analysis. Okay, all right, on Nasdaq. All right, and then we'll update everything, looking for what's going on GU and US 30 and gold. Okay, so give me 2 seconds here, guys. I'm going to leave US 30 on just to watch. US 30 is a very common instrument a lot of people like to trade. So I will be back in 2 seconds, guys. Hopefully you don't leave, because we will be doing top down and trading market open. Okay, thank you. All right, guys, let's get ready to roll here. Okay, you see that US 30 is on a steady decline right now, probably going to break that 9 EMA, potentially coming back down to maybe the initial entry at the 200 here. So we'll watch and see. Everything will be dependent on this 9 moving average. Okay, so let's go take a peek. We got 300 likes, guys. Thank you for pumping that up. Definitely appreciate it. Let's take a peek at Goldilocks one more time. Okay, gold is pushing up, guys. Okay, coming to that hourly. It's starting to break now. Okay, so gold did not hold the sell pressure. It pumped right back up. Why? Because on the hourly, okay, gold is showing nice momentum. But again, look at that long wick. Okay, it might not get filled anytime today. Maybe might not even get filled at all for the next week. Who knows? All right, we're testing that hourly. Can push back up. We have some resistance here though, so we are going to mark that. Okay, that is hourly resistance as well. Okay, so let's drop now down to the 15. Okay, you can see it's just the top of that wick right there. So we could have just put it right here, but it's nice to check higher time frames. All right, and let's see what it looks like on the 5. All right, if this rejects here, guys, if this rejects here, this could be short-term supply area. All right, if it breaks through here, guys, it's going to tap the overall daily. Not say this is a guaranteed sell, because nothing is guaranteed ever. Okay, but you can see that they're coming here, getting some resistance, maybe looking like they're going to potentially tap the 9 and then have another push to the upside here, or the momentum will just kind of stay strong and then push to the upside again. Okay, so we'll watch and see how it's going to start to flutter in and out of this zone right here. Okay, let's take a peek on GU as well, guys. All right, let's update these price flags. We are running into price. All right, holding the daily resistance now. This is going to be daily support. Okay, did you guys watch that Tesla video? We don't. No, I don't do Tesla, guys. That's not me. Carlos, I posted it in the YouTube. I'll post it in the community here under Traders Talk for you guys. See if I still have it here. Yeah, I got it. Cool, cool. Awesome, guys. So let's get down to dirty here. You can see one more time, we'll check US. All right. Still, remember I talked about the 9 moving average acting as nice support and resistance. Okay. All right. So we'll see if we're going to get short-term sell pressure here, if it's going to continue. Okay. Okay, we'll check out gold one more time, then I'll start doing Nasdaq. Okay, gold is starting to push, guys. Looking nice momentum here, still holding. Okay, we'll watch and see within the next couple minutes how this candle closes and the next one opens. Okay, so let's go take a look at Nasdaq here. Okay, same thing. We're going to erase and remove the moving averages. Okay, guys, another cool indicator to use is Bollinger Bands. I don't know if you guys have ever used them before. I used to use them a lot when I traded. Okay, you want to really focus on these types of movements right here. Okay, because when they break out, okay, when the Bollinger Bands kind of compress and they get tighter, they're pushing it around this moving average right here. Okay, then you can look for the bigger move. You see how it starts to dip out of the Bollinger, kind of consolidating and then leading to another move. Okay, same kind of move here. Dips down, okay, it breaks out of the Bollinger Band, all right, and it pushes back up. Same with here, starts to slowly break out, and then you're getting a decrease. Okay, so I don't know why I did that. I just kind of put them on there, guys. It's just kind of a cool indicator that has been used by many. All right, so let's go to the daily now. Definitely going to stretch this across. Okay, we do have some nice level of support forming right here on the daily if we do break. And we'll switch that over. Okay, and then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pretty much straightforward, very similar to US 30 here. All right. Okay, guys, so I can see we have nice daily support holding above here. Okay, we have nice resistance holding here. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour now. Nice 4 hour support formed. And then we have 4 hour resistance at the wicks right here. Guys, when I'm talking about the Bollinger Bands, right? It's just I was just showing you it. Like I'll throw them on every now and then, but you really have to practice with these. And indicators, they're lagging. The best thing you need to do is watch price. Okay. Okay, just gonna move that right there. There we go. Okay, I see an hourly support level starting to form. Okay, we'll take a look at the 30-minute. Did gold, Ian, is it popping or dropping right now? I'm not looking. You can see I'm just doing the top down here. Yeah. Okay, so gold is popping through. Okay, those supply areas right there. So looking pretty straightforward. I'm just going to gather one more key level down here, guys, before we drop. Okay, and you can see we have one more down here on the 30-minute. Okay, we'll go check it out, Ian. Absolutely. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Okay, so we're looking pretty good so far, guys. You can see the 30-minute resistance. They're pushing, pulling. Okay, do have nice 15-minute support kind of coming in right here. If you drag it to the left, you can see it's acting as resistance. Okay. Okay, I do see 15-minute resistance starting to come in here. Okay, let's drop now down to the Five Guys. How many of you guys like Five Guys burgers and fries? I just heard down to the five. I always think that when I say that. Anybody else like Five Guys? Guys, if we ever stop this trading channel, it's going to turn into a food channel. I'm telling you right now. Never been to Five Guys, guys? Oh my goodness. We're going to get a discount code for Five Guys. My man Morn, what's up, buddy? Josh Kidney. It is $50 for some burgers, but it is a damn good burger, man. I'll tell you that. FaZe, there he is. What's going on? My man. Where's my man Josh? Josh Key. Josh, where you at, buddy? I need my Josh in my life. There he is. There he is. Mike, I don't think it's actually $50. I think if you overindulge, then it becomes $50. Okay, guys, so you can see now we're in heavy consolidation, 915. Okay, slowly starting to drop out. More, and it's so funny that you said KFC all the way. My man Ian just said KFC too. You guys love KFC, guys. Brasilio Trader, I don't know what you're asking. I've seen it a couple times. You might have to Google that question. Okay. Yeah, okay, crypto yellow vest. I want kebabs more than five, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would rather kill some kebabs. DS, I've never had In-N-Out Burger, man. Never had In-N-Out Burger. And Arnisha, the coleslaw's bomb. Yeah, Ryan, if we do, man, everyone's gonna get hungry. And you know, in Canada, we support Canada. Weed is legal over here, and if we have one of those groups, you're gonna see the food channel blow up more than the trading channel. Okay, guys, Adidas dropping GJ bombs for you in there. Okay, so just make sure you understand that. I'm not gonna do GJ, but again, she is really helping out with that. So please, please watch what she's looking at. Okay, so remember we talked about some supply here, Ian. Okay, nice opportunity for a potential break, and then you can see, let's see if there's a little bit of divergence here, guys. Okay, there we go. So you can see on the 5 minute price is starting to rise. Okay, and then you can start to see the price is starting to fall in the RSI here. Okay, crypto vest, you were trading BTC. I don't really do it, man, just because of the spreads. You know what I mean? So webcam girls, guys, you know the stream is going good when the webcam girls start to join. M pattern on GU. Let's go take a look at this bad boy. Okay, GU starting to break, guys. Okay, nice divergent play here. All right, so if GU really starts to break, we're going to start to fall down to at least the 4 hour, maybe coming back down all the way. All right. Look at oil, guys. Oop. So this was, let's see, oil. I don't know if you guys remember that the trade ideas that we sent you guys in the week at the beginning. I don't know if you guys remember that on the hourly. That was the oil trade. All right, I don't know if you guys remember that. All right. But that oil buy, that thing ran about 400 points. Okay, now it's getting some rejection here, coming back down to the demand. We'll watch and see how this is going to make a move. All right. So this is the guys. This is our oil weekly outlook. Okay, you can see it popped off all the way. So I'm going to just update this to the group. Okay, and we'll go that a little later. Okay, and then we'll go check out our Nasdaq again, guys. Nasdaq is pushing up here on the hourly. Let's take a look at the 15. You want to check out gold? One more time, we'll check out gold. Okay, go to the 5. It's a big candle there, guys. That's a very big candle. Okay, here's going to be the determining factor. If it breaks this 200 EMA right here, okay, and if it breaks this 9 moving average, this thing is coming right back down, okay? So you can pretty much clone this and then move it over. Okay, we'll watch and see how this price is going to make a move. Okay, don't enter in just yet. This is just a clone from the previous structure, okay? And this will be an M pattern, you can see by the long wick. So top, top, and then if this continues to sell, this will drop to the hourly support, okay? Watch and see here. Okay, so we got to get a break here, guys. You can see, watch accordingly. There's about 3 minutes here. Okay, you can see there's no break just yet. They're just holding there. We needed to see a pierce. Okay, a pierce is basically something that pierces through like this. Okay, and then if we got that, then we can start to look for it. But right now, you can see that nothing is just holding level of support right here at the moving average. Okay, probably going to push back, retest the 9. So we'll see this, how it's going to move accordingly in a little bit. All right, let's take a look at the DXY again. All right, we're in critical spot for the DXY. Okay, you can see that it's starting to hold support. Okay, if we do break out of here, the DXY is going to start to rise again. Okay, so let's just maybe make one more note. Add an alert on the DXY. Okay. Okay, so you can beat me. Dave looks to me like a liquidity grab for more. Buy to buy a better price. Let's watch and see. I agree. It hasn't broken through. Okay, so could be just a retest before they're looking to pump it back up. So great. Thank you very much for that, guys. I think that's great analysis, and I think that's a great outlook to have. You can see that they have not broken below. Remember we talked about resistance here. This should be actual support now. Okay, my bad on I didn't change that. So we'll watch and see how this is going to go. That's a powerful candle though, okay? But again, so are these, and you can see how fast gold pumped up. Gold is very, very volatile, very liquid. Everyone knows that here at Trading Gold, okay? So 922, guys, let's go check out Nasdaq. I don't want to be messing around here too much. Okay, Nasdaq is starting to break out. Most likely going to fill this bottom wick here, getting to that, maybe hourly support. Okay, if not, you can see to the left we have this resistance over here. Okay, which they might hold it there before market open. We'll watch and see. All right. Okay, so about a minute and 4 left, guys. This is coming into going to turn 925. Okay, the new hourly candle. All right. Now, we haven't really talked about this too much, guys. I know it's a little bit of a downtime right now. Okay, this is the news for today. Okay. Okay, this is the news for today. 10 a.m. jolts. I'm not going to stay for this, guys. Okay, market open is good enough. All right. Jolts news, red news folder. Okay. The doggy, he's with someone else right now. So he's taken care of. Don't worry about that. He's good. He's going to make a more of an appearance when I get finalized on this move. Just waiting for my internet, guys. And then I'll be in a whole new section. A lot more sexier of a room. Got some pretty cool Stock Sniper Trading logo in the background. Okay. All right. So you guys can see here we have some news, red folder here in New Zealand at 6:45. This will be perfect for like NZD pairs, trading after market open at night. Okay. You can see that we do have a bank holiday on JPY. All right. And let's take a look at what we have tomorrow. Okay. You can see tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. This is not NFP. This is ADP. Okay. This is ADP hard. Okay. Then you have FOMC statements, and then you have the federal funds rate. Okay. And then you have your FOMC press conference at 2 p.m. Guys, we are going to stream this live in our private Zoom. Okay. Just to let you know, we will be streaming this live in the private Zoom. So you guys will get that. And then also, guys, on Friday, there will be no NFP live. Okay, on YouTube. I will not be here. I have some traveling to do, unfortunately, but we will be streaming this in our private Zoom as well. Okay. So what I mean by that is, let's try and check out the 5th. Okay, you can see we have mass GU news at 7 a.m. Okay, so this will be really good leading into the market open. Sorry, not market open, but the New York market open. Okay, all right, and then we have that 8:30 unemployment claims. Okay, and then the following day, which is Friday, you can see have NFP and unemployment rate. Two massive, massive folders here. Okay, all right. So I just wanted to kind of go over that with you guys so you know what's coming up, right? I'm sure you guys do know about this already. You guys probably follow along. If you're not sure how any of these folders have an impact or what they mean, just click on this folder right here, okay? And you can read the notes, all right? This one's not the best, but you can see, let's go to the NZD here, okay? So you go to Why Traders Care section. Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity, okay? So just click that and you can see how it correlates, okay, with what we're doing, all right? So let's take a peek now, guys. Nasdaq, massive dump, okay, starting to push down. Okay, remember I told you guys looking at maybe filling this wick before market open. All right, so let's get ready for the MA New York Stock Open. Let's just move this over here so you guys can see this dump. Remember I told you guys looking to fill that wick, okay? Adidia, thank you so much. No, Carlos, I'm not. I haven't been for the last 45 minutes. Okay. Adidia, thank you so much for that GJ trade. I'm assuming that it dumped. All right. So let's watch and see. Okay, guys, so let me just put that on there one more time. Okay, so if you're new, guys, don't trade the New York stock 9:30 open candle. It's going to be a lot of volume. Trust me. Okay, you wait 5, 10, 15 minutes if you don't feel comfortable. All right, use no more than 1% at this time. We made enough pips during this session that you don't even need to trade this. We just do this because sometimes you get bangers. Okay, all right. Use a trailing stop, which is TS, and stop loss when applicable. Okay. Bryce, good morning, man. Thanks for joining in. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this here. Coming into 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. We're going to watch NAS. Okay, overbought, looking like potentially forming near that 50 line right there. Here it is, guys. Right before, you can see just filled that wick. Okay. Members, if you just see what I was typing right now, let me explain this. Let me show you. Shite. Too slow. Don't take this now, guys. That's what I was typing. Okay. Okay, 4-hour support, guys. If she breaks here, she's starting to come down to at least this general overall consolidation area. Okay. So let's just watch and see. Big move, guys, right at the market. All right. Good. John Gar, if you got that, man, nice. Yeah, I know, Trading Joe. I was typing it. I don't know if you heard the typing, but this is what I was saying. If it breaks the hourly, she's selling down to the 4 hour. Gold is pumping, guys. Gold is pumping. Nasdaq is just tanking right now. Okay, let it do its thing. Starting to dump. If it breaks here, guys, this is a big M pattern coming down to the 30-minute. Okay, let's take a look, guys. Look at this big move here we have. Okay, if it breaks here, guys, nice potential move if it's going to dump here. But watch the level of support. This is the critical level right here. Okay, if she breaks here, there's a lot of momentum to go down. If not, she's just going to hold. And you might see a potential reversal coming up. No, Ian, I would not. I'm just going to sit back and wait now. Unfortunately, my typing is not fast enough. Okay, so see the first 5 minutes, guys, very, very, very erratic. All right. Look at how dirty this is. Okay, let's take a peek one time at US 30 here. Okay, flip and went bullish, guys. Check that out. Okay, dip down, still held, and now she's flipping hard. Okay. Let's watch NAS. Let it first thing play out. First 5 minutes, guys. Sit on your hands. I know the big moves are showing promising potential, but just sit and chill out. All right. Guys, another 100 subs. Thank you so much for subbing. Like I said, I don't see who subs all the time. Okay. So I definitely really appreciate that, guys. You know, we're adding almost 100 each day right now. It's pretty crazy to watch. Food and entertainment. Yeah, we're trading live. Okay, so see how they pushed it right back above that 4 hour support. Okay, if you look on the higher time frame, okay, let's take a look at the hourly. We're just looking at the 5 minute. Take a look, guys. Remember, we had nice piercing line pattern here. Here is the retest on the sell. The moving average is trying to close right below it. Sorry about this. You can see now they're pushing it above, trying to hold. This thing can start to flicker. This will potentially, okay, maybe turn into a head and shoulder pattern. Potentially here. Shoulder, head, secondary shoulder here. We'll see if that's going to be a potential sell back down to the overall 4 hour. Okay. The momentum is pretty strong here, guys. So we have to watch. Okay. So this candle has been filled, that overall dirty wick. Okay, I'm looking for this next candle to open, guys. This next candle to open, that's what I'm looking for more than anything. I do think they can push this back up, absolutely. But if this, guys, this is the neckline right here, okay? I'm telling you straight up, this is the neckline. if this breaks. Where the hell is this stupid text? Right here is your neckline. This thing dumps past here, guys. She's saluting down all the way to there. Okay, but it needs to get down to that area again. Okay, so here's your new, okay, starting to flip, finding that support level here. So 4 hours nice and tight. All right. Let's watch this on the 15 minutes. Watch the neckline, guys. This thing dumps past here. She's starting to shoot. Okay, guys, I am in sells right now. Okay, she's selling off. Let's go to the 5. There we go. Let's see if we get that neckline push. Okay, they're not letting it dump past that neckline, guys. It's tapping there, but it's not pushing through. I do like how they made a low. Okay, they're going to attempt this again right now. Just take a peek one time on US 30 here. I just want to see how they're moving on the dirty. Okay, so look at US 30, guys. Massive pump. All right, look at this engulfing candlestick starting to form right here, getting held up. Okay, so it's choppy right now, guys. Very choppy. They're not letting it break, guys. 1 minute left here. If they don't push this down below the 4-hour support, okay, they could trap this. Okay, this could be a trap. Okay, 4-hour support, they could open this up and pump it right back up. I'm noticing it by the double wick. Okay, so let's just watch. They could flip this nice and bullish on this new open. So guys, if you're in any sells, grab, secure what you can. Okay, they're not letting it break down. Okay, so far on this candle, you can see they're not pushing it even near the neckline, near this 12,869. They're not pushing it down there at all. Okay, they're attempting to, but there's a lot of buyers starting to pick it back up. And remember, this is still only, where the hell is the time? Where the hell is this thing? Wait 5, 10, 15 minutes here, guys. This is not only 5 minutes, it's only 10 minutes. Okay, so if you're not comfortable, like I said, sit back, watch, and you can look for the next candle to trade, which will come into the 940, which is going to be the next 5-minute candle open. Okay, here's the retest, guys, on that 4-hour. Okay, see how they pushed it below? All right. See that critical level of the neckline? Nice level of support right here. They're not letting it dump. It's kind of indecisiveness right in between here. You have 4-hour resistance, okay? Once acting as support, and now they're kind of in and out. You can see the nice gap right here, and it happened right here. You can see the price broke through, sideways traded, and then they pushed back up, all right? So this is in a sideways trade consolidation general area right now, okay? That's what this is in. Okay, I'm not looking for anything, guys. Just right now, indecisiveness. All right, they're pushing it right in that critical area. The only thing I'm really looking for, guys, is if it breaks that 12,869, okay, down to the 30-minute support. All right. D, yeah, I scalp 1 minutes, obviously by myself. I don't really feel comfortable doing it open because that's where mistakes happen. Go check out gold here, and I want to check out US 30 one more time. Okay, look at this choppy right now. All right. Chop session to the max. But generally by this bearish candlestick here, okay, that's a huge indication there's a lot of sellers. All right. Okay, buyers have now taken control so far. You can see they're starting to push back up, getting rejected at that 200 now. Okay. So indecisiveness to the max. They're wanting to push it right around these moving averages. The best time to hit this trade, if you want to know the truth, was right at market open when it dumped down. Okay, that was really the only all clean break. Other than that, you've been going through roller coasters. Okay. I'm running in and out of profit on my sell here. So gold is pumping up, guys. Okay, gold is pushing up. Not really going to get off that, but nice continuation on gold. Okay, so heavy resistance here. What have you learned through pushing back psychological questions or psychological things? All right. Uh, I just press buy or sell, man. I don't think. Honestly, I don't. Because when you think, you have issues, right? If it lines up for my trade and all my confluences hit, then I'll take the trade. All right. If not, then I won't take the trade. Okay, they're holding this support like crazy right now. Neckline, they're not wanting it to break. All right. Lizard tail, I'm already in on that. I've been in holding it in and out. There it is, guys. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Death cross, guys. That's what I was looking for. Let's go. Take it. Take it. There, guys. There's TP right there. Take that SOB. Get out now. I told you I was holding cells, guys. I was in and out. That was the dump right there. Now, don't get greedy. This thing can shoot right back up. Okay? I told you that was the cells. All right, not looking for any buying power right here. That's the stop loss if you guys don't feel comfortable. All right, that's a big drop, guys. Pura Sun, yeah, message, yeah, send the message. I'm watching right now. Go ahead. guys, get out if you're in on this sell right now. I don't care if this thing dumps past the 30-minute. Let's just take what we can get. If you want to open up one, yeah, we can get you set up with that. I'm going to send you the email. It depends where you are in the world. Okay, see if they accept you. Because your broker didn't have Nasdaq. You can check out US Tech, US 100. Okay, make sure to check those out too. See if they actually make sense, or see if they actually have it. Not make sense. Sorry, I'm so used to saying that stupid phrase. Everyone else is getting sick of me saying that. So, but check it out. Make sure you check US Tech, US 100, NAS 100. Check those three just to make sure that you do have it before you want to switch your broker. Okay. Did anyone take that Nasdaq sell, or was everyone just kind of sitting on sitting waiting? Okay, it would have been a little bit choppy. Maybe you guys got a little bit, hesitant on it, and I understand that. If it was Nasdaq or US 30, either or would have worked. Okay, but it was, you know, it was definitely a roller coaster ride. I was in, guys. If you saw where I was in from, it was right in up here. Okay, I sliced this sell right here. All right. Leo, this doesn't make sense. 70 pips in drawdown and 20 pips in profit. Well, at least you're in profit. Got out the neckline. Nice, guys. Nice. Got the US 30. A little sketchy for you. Yeah, no worries. Don't feel like you have to do it. Guys, I told you. This is just like the bonus. This is like just the boomer session right here. Right? You don't need to do anything like that in this session. Right? You know what I mean? You guys, that's why we trade leading up to this. We could really just do market open. I know there's traders. Listen, guys, I'm going to tell you something straight up. I know there's traders out there and they charge $300 and you get 1 hour session and the time is between, I think it's 9 until 10. They charge you $300, okay, for a 1 hour Zoom session, okay, and they do that. So just hopefully you guys understand that, when we go longer and stuff like that, it's a lot. It's a lot. So you don't have to even trade this time if you don't feel comfortable. You know what I mean? You don't have to at all. All right. And that's why I told you guys to look to take your pips. They're dropping it down to 30-minute support. Okay. Why did I look to that level as a TP? Look to the left right here. Okay. You see that level of hesitation that didn't let it drop? That was the overall right there. Okay. So let me just see if I even took a screenshot of that. Yeah, it did. Perfect. Here's the continuation, guys. Okay, now you can see the indecisiveness. The buyers are probably starting to take control now, and they're going to try to pump this back up. Okay, guys, but with that being said, you know what I mean? That was the one move. We traded for like 2 hours today. It was a good session. All right, let the news play out. Okay, I would not be trading at 10 o'clock. All right, let do its thing. And guys, same time, same channel tomorrow. We're going to be doing at 7:30, okay, Eastern Standard Time. All right, and we're going to trade till about 9:45, 10. It depends on the market. Okay, leading into this time, if you don't feel comfortable taking trades or even just whatever at this time, you don't need to. That's why we start a bit earlier. And guys, I'll be completely honest with you. I'm not the only streamer out there. If 5 minutes doesn't clash with, or it clashes with your overall anxiety, different things like that, you don't need to trade 5 minutes. You can trade 10 if you like listening to my voice or any other voices like that. There's plenty of other people out there. Okay, we did have some really good sessions in the Zooms. Okay, you know, A lot of people were banking on US 30, gold, different things like that. So just stay tuned, guys. I'm going to post a video later today. It was in our London session. Okay, this was the DAX sell. So we do trade the DAX in London. Okay, I don't trade it right now just because US 30 and Nasdaq are more valuable at this time, I believe. Okay, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'm going to drop it in the free FX group. So if you guys are in on that channel, please make sure to just stay tuned. We'll get this up today, and we'll go from there. So guys, I hope everyone has a great day. Straight up, like, have a really good day. Please enjoy some food. Hopefully everyone is not getting sick. You guys are starting to enjoy getting over everything. That's good. And I want to say God bless to everyone. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, as I've repeated now 3 times. But we will resume tomorrow, 7:30, guys. Members, we have back testing sessions tonight. Okay, we do have a London session tomorrow, and then stay tuned for the trades throughout the day that we'll do today. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Enjoy your day, guys. God bless you, and we'll resume tomorrow, same time, same channel. Goodbye.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.